As a business owner, you don't have hours to spend creating Instagram Reels. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your reel creation process. Hi, I'm Ida, a corporate storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level? But when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. Templates allow you to add your images to already created videos, so you can reduce the time of editing. However, they do have their limitations because you can only add as many clips as there are in the template, and you can't really adjust anything in terms of shortening or lengthening a clip. So to access your templates, you're going to go into Instagram Reels. And so here is where you would start to create your reel. So you can either press the middle button and start recording your video, or you can just go over to templates. So this is going to show you a bunch of templates that you can use for your Instagram reel. So if you find something you like, you just press use template. And then it's going to show you how long each of these clips are. And then so you can just start adding your clips. So let's say 1, 2, 3. There you go. You can click on the clip itself, and then you can change which part of the clip is going to be seen in your reel. So you're not going to really be able to change the order of these, just adjust which part of the clip. And when you click next, so this is going to allow you to either save the clip, you can still add your text. So let's say text 1. And you can click on that text and you can indicate where you want that text to start. Let's add another text. So I can click on it. However, this isn't going to allow you to enter the editor, which is going to allow you to fine-tune the text a lot more. So this is just simple, and it's going to allow you to edit here. If you don't like one of the texts, you can just click on the text and then take them down to the garbage. So just click on it and then just drag it down to the garbage. I can still add effects. These effects I'm only allowed to add to the overall video. So it's not going to allow me to add one effect to one part and a different one to another part. I can just add one to the entire thing. If I don't want to add the effects, I just double click on the effect that is highlighted, and then that's going to go away. And then I can still add captions or photos or graphics. So say I want to add even a photo, I can add a photo. I can click on that photo and I can adjust what part of that it's going to show up for. I can drag that down. So that's the easiest way to make a reel using templates. However, templates sometimes can be hard to find. So I'm going to exit out of this. But sometimes you might not spot a template you like. So what I suggest you do is when you're going into Instagram Reels, so you're in Reels, and you see use template appears right here, what you can do is you can save that video so that you have a folder of saved templates that you already like. So when you're trying to create a reel, you can just go back to your saved folder and click on it quickly. So I'm just going to scroll through here and see if there's any other templates available. So not everything is going to have a template. The only way you can actually get a template or make a template so that you can share a template with others is if you edit your reel within Instagram. So I'm just going to keep scrolling. Here's a template. Well, this one's fun. So I'm just going to save that reel, then I can go back and use that template whenever I want. To access your saved, you're just going to click onto your profile. Then you're going to click the 3 lines in the top corner and you're going to click saved. And you can go to all posts and you can see it appears right here. So now if I want to click on it, I can use that template. It shows exactly how quick all of these are, and I can just add all my videos into that template. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.